How to get discount on watches and headphones. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if you want to get discounts on noise, so I've got you. So first head over to your preferred browser, search for Deal Stopper and tap on it. Then here search for noise in this brand. If you are buying with this website, you can use these coupons, but if you are buying from Amazon, simply search for Amazon and get these coupons. Simply copy it and you can use it while paying for your watches or headphones from Amazon. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.